So I've got some news for you, but stick with me as I explain what this news is, because this really isn't about us. It's actually more about you. You know, a lot of people will take this type of news and use it as some type of trophy to mount on one of these walls, but it has more to do with you guys than it does our expertise in marketing. And here's what the news is. Let me just get to the punchline. Is we just found out that we ranked 1,098 out of 5,000 fastest growing privately held companies in the country. And I'm also going to come back to that number, 1,098. So this is Inc. 5000 magazine's, it's the ranking of the fastest growing privately held companies in the country. Normally a number like that is just like company talk. But I want to tell you why that should actually matter to you. So everyone talks about their rate. You know, you may talk about your rate, especially if you won one of those magical rates back in 2021, 2.5, 2.75. Everyone talks about rate, but nobody outside of us really talks about your structure. And you've probably felt like something just didn't add up, even if you could say exactly why. And it's proof that, you know, us having that ranking is proof that a lot of families have felt the same way that you did. You know, if you're watching my videos and you're like, you know what, I think he's got a point there. You know, he's not just telling me something that has a lot of common sense to it, but 2 + 2 is equaling 4. And so you're doing some investigation of your own, and you're looking at your disclosures, you're doing the math yourself. And again, it's third grade level math. And you're like, you know what, that makes a lot of sense. That's the first epiphany that any of our potential clients actually have. And then they have multiple epiphanies along the way. As I've talked about before of, okay, not only was he right, but it's actually working faster than advertised. So it takes a lot of trust to get this number. And so I want to express my thanks and gratitude to you guys for entrusting us, as the overwhelming majority of you have, to, you know, pick up the phone, make the call, or click on the link and say, okay, this is starting to add up a little bit here, and I think I'm a good fit for this. Let me investigate this further. Because you are a rare breed. Again, 98% of Americans would look at this and say, sounds too good to be true, and they continue doing the same thing. And if nothing changes, nothing changes. But you're a rare breed because you actually took action. And because you took action, we were able to support you and service you and help you save decades off of your mortgage, potentially hundreds of thousands of dollars of interest that would otherwise go to your mortgage lender. But instead, now you've decided to have more loyalty, not to your bank or your lender, but to your family. And so I want to thank you for helping us land at 1,098. Now, here's why that number, and again, it's not like we called Inc. 5000 and said, hey, you've got us at 1,096 or 2,001. Any chance you could get us at 1,098? One could say this is coincidence, but I think otherwise. Here's why 1,098 is actually cool for us, better than a lower number. It's your 1098. What do you get every single year from your lender? You get your 1098 mortgage interest deduction statement. So that's the number that we landed at. Top 20%, roughly top 20% of the 5,000 fastest growing companies in the country, and we just happened to land on 1,098. So your 1098 that you get every single year is a reminder of how much interest you're paying to your mortgage lender that you otherwise wouldn't have to. You could open up that door, take that red pill, escape the matrix and say, you know what, this is starting to make a whole lot of sense. Let me look into this. That's all we beg you to do. And we're not begging you just for our own benefit. We're begging you for you and your family's benefit. Our core 4, the number one of our core 4 is impact over income. And I've told the team for years that if we just focus on the impact that we have for families around this country, then we'll never have to worry about the impact to our own. It will come by nature. So thank you once again for allowing us to achieve this. And look, this is just a start. The way I look at it is there's 1,097 companies that did better than us, and I'm highly competitive. So stay tuned until next year. Y'all take care. God bless.